Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways AI is making money every single day, automated stock trading. And we're talking about a real proven example. 2 Sigma, a hedge fund that has mastered AI-driven trading and manages over $60 billion in assets. If you've ever wondered how AI is being used to generate money on autopilot, stick around because I'll show you exactly how they do it and how you can apply the same strategies yourself. Let's get started. So, does it actually work? The answer is a big yes. Here are some key facts. 2 Sigma manages over $60 billion in assets. Their AI models help them achieve double-digit annual returns, even in volatile markets. They consistently rank among the top-performing hedge funds worldwide. One example, in 2020, while many funds struggled, 2 Sigma's AI-driven strategies capitalized on market volatility and secured profits by adjusting trades in real time. This proves that AI-powered trading isn't just the future, it's already here, making millions daily. Now, you might be thinking, that's great for 2 Sigma, but how can I do this? The good news is, you don't need billions to start. AI trading is now accessible to everyone. Here's how you can get in. Use AI trading platforms. Tools like Trade Ideas, Tickeron, and Alpha Sense let you use AI to find profitable trades. Try algorithmic trading bots. Platforms like Binance, Interactive Brokers, and Quant Connect allow you to set up AI bots that trade automatically. Start small and learn. Test with a demo account, analyze AI signals, and scale as you gain confidence. With AI, you can trade smarter, minimize risks, and maximize profits, just like the pros. So there you have it, a real-world proven way AI is making money daily. 2 Sigma is living proof that AI-driven trading is changing the financial game. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI to trade for you? Until next time, trade smart, stay informed, and keep making money with AI.